Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're diving into something, well, really practical.
Hmm.
We want to give you, the listener, 100 daily English sentences you can use today.
Yeah, like a cool kid.
Exactly. Think of it as your shortcut, to being more communicative, more confident, just using the English you need every single day.
And what's great about these sentences, well, it's why they work so well for A to B1 levels.
Hmm.
That's when you're starting to handle basic chats and
Right.
aiming for more fluency, right?
Right.
So we picked these for practicality and realism. This is simple, real English, the kind people actually use.
Good point.
Yeah, built from high-frequency vocabulary, the words you hear and use all the time. They're short, easy to grab, and, super usable straight away.
That's the plan. And here's what we really need you to do during this deep dive. Be active. When you hear us say a sentence, don't just listen. Say it out loud with us. Repeat it.
Really make it your own.
Yeah, that active repetition, that's the key. It helps you internalize these phrases, make them stick, ready to give your English a boost.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's dive in. Right, so every day starts somewhere. Let's kick things off with your morning routine. These are the phrases you'll probably use as soon as you get going.
And starting with the morning, well, it's a good strategy. It's predictable, usually pretty low stress.
True.
We're using the present simple tense a lot
Yeah.
here, for habits, routines. It's fundamental. And because everyone has some kind of morning routine, it makes it easier to connect these sentences to your own life, which helps with memorizing them.
Makes sense. Okay, first one. Repeat after us. I wake up early.
A good habit, if you can manage it, consistent.
My alarm clock rings.
Ah, that sound. For some people, the very first sound of the day.
I get out of bed.
Simple, necessary. We often say get out of bed or just get up. Both work.
I stretch a little.
Feels good, right? Especially first thing.
Time to get dressed.
Yep, getting ready for whatever's next. Get dressed. Common phrase. Means put your clothes on.
I brush my teeth.
Super important. Daily hygiene.
I wash my face.
Helps you feel awake, fresh.
I comb my hair.
Or maybe brush my hair, yeah. Depending on your hair. Both are pretty standard.
I make breakfast.
Notice the verb make. We use make for a lot of things in English. Make breakfast, make dinner, make coffee, make a mess, make a plan.
It's the busy verb.
It really is. Super common, combines with tons of nouns. Very useful.
I drink coffee.
And I drink coffee. Perfect example of present simple for a habit. You wouldn't usually say, I'm drinking coffee, unless you were like holding the cup right now.
Right. It's about the routine. I eat toast.
Quick and easy breakfast for lots of people.
I check my phone.
Oh, yeah. A very modern morning thing for, well, most of us.
I pack my bag.
Getting everything ready for work or school.
Okay, quick practice chat. Hey, does your alarm clock ring or do you usually wake up early?
I usually wake up early, actually. So no alarm for me this morning. I just, get out of bed when I feel ready.
Nice. All right, back to list. I put on my shoes.
Nearly ready to go. Put on another really common phrasal verb. We put on clothes, shoes, coats,
I leave the house.
out into the world.
I walk to the bus stop.
Common commute.
I take the bus.
We use take for transport often. Take the bus, take the train, take a taxi, take the subway,
I arrive at work.
hopefully on time. Being punctual is often important.
Good morning, everyone.
The classic morning greeting at the office or school.
Have a good day.
A nice, polite thing to say when someone is leaving or starting their workday.
You too.
And that's the perfect, easy reply.
Okay, morning routine done. Now we're stepping out, maybe heading to the office or to class. Let's look at phrases for at work or school.
Right. This section, it's designed to give you language for those familiar situations you find yourself in regularly at work or school. It tries to balance, slightly more formal work chat with maybe more casual school situations, but keeping the grammar pretty straightforward.
Got it. Okay, first one. I start work at 9.
See? Start work at 9. That's present simple again for a fixed schedule or routine. Even if it's every day, we usually say start, not am starting.
What's on your schedule?
Just a direct way to ask someone about their plans or meetings for the day.
I have a meeting now.
Again, present simple for something scheduled, very common.
Can I help you?
Here, can't is used to offer help. It's polite, it's direct, good phrase.
Please send me an email.
Clear instruction. Send. Used all the time for email, messages, that kind of thing.
I need to finish this.
Shows you're focused. Need to. Expresses that feeling of obligation or necessity.
Let's take a break.
Ooh, a very important phrase. Take a break. That's a set phrase, a fixed expression.
I'm working on a project.
Now here we use I'm working, present continuous. That shows it's an activity happening around now, maybe over a period of time.
What's the homework?
The classic student question.
Yeah.
Okay, quick scenario. I have a meeting now. Can I help you quickly before we go?
Oh, not right now, thanks. But could you please send me an email later with those details?
Sure thing.
All right, next sentence. I study English every day.
Excellent. A great habit to have. That consistency, it really makes a difference with language.
Can you explain that?
Such a useful question. Don't ever hesitate to ask this if you're unsure about something. It helps you learn.
I have a question.
Perfect. Same idea. Asking questions shows you're engaged and want to understand.
Let's work together.
Teamwork. Like the saying, teamwork makes the dream work. Working together often gets better results.
I'm learning something new.
That's always a great feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
Learning new things is fantastic.
The class starts soon.
Could be a reminder or a little warning. And again, starts present simple for a schedule.
I need focus.
We all feel like that sometimes when there's important stuff to do.
I'll be back later.
Simple way to say you're leaving for a bit, but plan to return. I'll is short for I will.
See you tomorrow.
Common way to say goodbye at the end of a workday or school day.
It was a productive day.
Nice feeling.
Mm.
A good summary when you feel you got a lot done.
Phew. Okay, work or school is done for the day in our scenario. Now, maybe you need to run some errands or do some shopping. Let's dive into phrases for shopping and errands. These are super useful for just, well, everyday life outside the house.
Yeah, these are really practical. They hit those survival needs, especially for things like shopping. And they also help you get ready to handle situations if you're traveling. You know, seeing that direct real-world use, it really boosts your motivation to learn.
Totally. Okay, first shopping phrase. How much is this?
The number one question, right? If you want to buy something,
Can I try this on?
good one. Notice the phrasal verb try on. It's specifically for clothes or shoes. You wouldn't try on food, for example.
Do you have this in blue?
Classic request. You can
Yeah.
change blue to any color or ask about size, like, do you have this in a medium?
I'd like a coffee.
Polite way to order, I'd like, is short for I would like, much softer than I want.
Can I pay by card?
Very important question these days as cards are so common.
Here's my card.
Simple, direct,
Yeah.
what you say when you hand it over.
Do you have a bag?
Useful, especially if shops charge for bags.
I need some bread.
Basic grocery item. We use some here because bread is often treated as uncountable in this context. Some bread, some milk, some sugar.
Where's the exit?
Essential for finding your way out of any store or building.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Ah, this is a great phrase. It's a polite way to tell a shop assistant you don't need help right now without being rude. Very common.
Okay, mini dialogue time. Excuse me, can I try this on?
Of course. Oh, and actually, do you have this in blue as well? I'd quite like to see both colors.
Let me check for you. All right, next phrase. Can I get a receipt?
Good one. Always polite to ask. And remember the pronunciation. Receipt, E-P-T. The P is silent. Important word for shopping.
I need to buy groceries.
Groceries. That means the food and other stuff you buy at the supermarket.
I'm going to the bank.
An essential errand, right? For money stuff.
I have an appointment.
This means a scheduled meeting could be with a doctor, a teacher, even a friend if it's arranged.
I need to pick up a package.
That phrasal verb pick up means collect. You pick up packages, pick up dry cleaning, pick up kids from school. See how up changes the meaning.
Is this on sale?
Everyone likes a discount. On sale means the price is reduced.
Do you accept cash?
Worth asking, as some smaller places might prefer cash, or maybe only take cash.
This is too expensive.
A common thought when you're looking around.
I'll take it.
This means I've decided I will buy this. Nice and clear, I will.
Thank you for your help.
Always good to say if someone in a shop has been helpful. Politeness goes a long way.
Okay, errand's done. Now let's move into something really important. Social situations and conversations. Phrases for, connecting with people.
Absolutely. I mean, interacting with others is often a huge reason why people want to learn a language in the first place, right?
For sure.
So these sentences help A2 learners with those short social chats, maybe making or responding to an invitation. And for B1 learners, they help you jump into conversations about familiar topics more easily, which really builds confidence.
Great. Let's start with a classic. Nice to meet you.
The perfect polite thing to say when you're introduced to someone new.
How are you doing?
Very common, informal greeting. Often the answer is short, like, good, thanks you, or doing well. People don't always expect a long, detailed answer unless you know them well.
I'm doing well, thanks.
That's your standard positive reply.
What's your name?
Simple, direct, necessary when meeting someone.
Where are you from?
A really common question to get to know someone's background. Good icebreaker.
How was your day?
Nice general way to start a conversation about how things have been recently.
Would you like to join us?
A polite way to invite someone into your group or activity.
Let's go for a walk.
A simple, pleasant suggestion for something to do together.
I'm free tomorrow.
Useful phrase when you're trying to make plans or accepting an invite.
What are your hobbies?
Great question to find out what people are interested in. Find common ground. Deepens the chat.
Okay, quick social interaction. Hi, nice to meet you. How you doing today?
Oh, hi. I'm doing well, thanks. Hey, I was wondering, what are your hobbies? What do you like doing?
Good question. Next sentence. I like reading books.
Oh, nice. Me too.
Yeah.
And, reading is actually a fantastic way to improve your English vocabulary. Really helps.
That sounds great.
It's just a common way to respond positively to an idea or suggestion. Shows agreement or enthusiasm.
I'm happy to help.
A very kind and useful thing to offer someone.
Can I get your number?
Classic phrase for wanting to stay in touch. You might also hear, can I get your contact info? Nowadays, which is a bit broader.
See you soon.
A friendly goodbye usually implies you expect to see them again fairly quickly.
Have a nice weekend.
Perfect thing to say to colleagues or friends on a Friday afternoon.
Had a good time.
A lovely thing to say to your host after a party or to friends after hanging out. Shows you enjoyed it.
It was fun.
Similar to I had a good time, maybe a bit more informal, but just as positive.
Take care.
A warm, caring way to say goodbye. Means, look after yourself.
Goodbye for now.
Suggests this isn't a final goodbye, just temporary.
All right, we've navigated the social world. Now let's bring it home. We're concluding our daily cycle with phrases for your evening at home. Time to wind down.
Yeah, and focusing on the evening at home, it sort of mirrors the morning routine section. It reinforces that daily routine and household vocabulary.
That comes full circle.
Exactly. And the home environment, evening routines, they're usually quite predictable, which gives you lots of chances to practice the language in a comfortable setting. It really helps connect the English you're learning to your actual life.
Makes sense. Okay, first evening phrase. I'm home now.
Simple announcement. You've arrived.
What's for dinner?
The age-old question in many homes. Very, very common.
I'm cooking pasta.
There's that present continuous again, I'm cooking, shows the action is happening right now.
Let's watch TV.
Common way to relax in the evening.
What's on tonight?
Ask about the TV schedule, or maybe just what the plan is for the evening.
I'm tired now.
Understandable, after a long day. Universal feeling.
I need to relax.
Important phrase for saying you need some downtime, some self-care.
I'm reading a book.
Great way to unwind. And great for your English, too.
Time to clean up.
Maybe after dinner.
Yeah.
The less fun part, perhaps, but necessary.
I'm doing laundry.
Doing laundry is the specific phrase we use for washing clothes.
Quick evening chat. Oh, what's for dinner? I'm really tired now.
I'm just cooking some pasta. After we eat, maybe we can watch TV for a bit. Then it's probably time to clean up.
Sounds like a plan. Okay, nearly done for the day. Did you lock the door?
Good one. Safety first. Important check before relaxing completely.
Turn off the lights.
Simple instruction, often used around bedtime, an imperative verb.
I'm going to bed.
The final announcement of the day, usually.
Good night, everyone.
Saying goodnight to everyone in the house.
Sweet dreams.
A kind wish for someone heading off to sleep. Hope they sleep well.
I had a long day.
Explains why you're tired. You definitely deserve some rest.
I'm feeling sleepy.
That natural feeling just before you decide to go to bed.
I love my home.
Nice personal feeling of comfort.
It's cozy here.
Cozy means warm, comfortable, safe, inviting. A lovely word.
See you in the morning.
Looking ahead. Ready to start the whole cycle over again.
Wow. Okay, that was 100 sentences. What an incredibly useful set of phrases we've gone through today. You've just done a deep dive into real, everyday English. That's a massive step.
It really is. You should feel proud. Having these tools ready, it's genuinely empowering for your daily conversations.
Definitely. And to make sure these sentences really stick.
Yeah, remember what we said about active repetition. Saying them out loud, that's key. And also, maybe think about spaced repetition.
Right? What's that again?
It's just reviewing things at intervals like review today, then maybe tomorrow, then in a few days, then a week later. It really helps push information into your long-term memory.
So you could re-listen to parts of this.
Exactly. Or just pick, say, 5 or 10 sentences each day to focus on. The way this is set up, clear audio, short sentences, it's really designed to help you memorize them effectively.
Makes sense. So what does this all mean for you, the listener?
Well, it means you've got the tools right now to change how you interact in English every day. Don't just, learn them passively. Try to live them. Use them in your head. Try them out when you can.
Yeah, actively integrate them.
Absolutely. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and just keep exploring English with confidence. And make sure you follow the deep dive for more practical language journeys like this one.
We hope this was really helpful.
We'll see you next time.
Before you go, remember this. Every word you learn makes you stronger. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. You'll find more lessons, more stories, and more English practice to help you feel confident in any situation. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next lesson.